Welcome back to the Lockdown Golf School. Today I'm gonna show you a good use of the vacuum cleaner and how the vacuum cleaner can make you get more confident on your short putts. So what you're gonna need is that you're gonna draw a hole on the paper. I made it slightly smaller than a normal golf hole because I think that when I get out on the golf course, it's gonna feel like the holes are bigger, so it's gonna feel more like a bucket and give me even more confidence. Then you need a pair of scissors, you need a broom, and you need a vacuum cleaner and a ping pong ball. Back again. To make sure you have a good broom to putt with, take a pair of scissors and get the broom and make sure you cut the broom into a straight line. The straighter, the better. Welcome back. So you place the paper with a hole on it on the ground, and then you place the vacuum cleaner behind it. Put it on, and then we place a ping pong ball about 2-3 feet away. You take a brush, place it behind the ball like the putter, and gently tapping it into the hole. Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby! Even the little lifting. That's me. One putt. Oh yeah. Good luck with your putting. Get the confidence back. That's the pure